Before you pass the video, you can support me by liking and subscribing to my channel. This way I can shoot other videos as well. I sincerely believe that you will support it.
The Toyota BZ compact SUV concept reflects the future of the Beyond Zero electric lineup. Hey Yui, could this be a future electric Toyota Crown? Meet the Toyota BZ compact SUV concept, which offers a glimpse of what the expanding BZ, Beyond Zero, family has in store, and hints at what an electric Toyota Crown might look like, and introduces Yui, the Japanese voice assistant. The BZ compact SUV concept has sharp lines, angular trim pieces, deep creases and an extreme narrowing of the body in the middle. The SUV has a low roofline and small greenhouse with a funky, chunky, squared-off rear. It has a glass roof, but it is not solar paneled. For better aerodynamics, the wheels were pushed to the corners and the vehicle has short overhangs for a lower coefficient of drag. While the exterior is busy, the interior is minimalist, with a yoke, yelp, and lonely-looking gearshift sitting in the center console between wireless charging pads. The two screens curl at the bottom to provide 10.3 inches of screen for the driver and a 14-inch center screen, neither of which sits so high as to impede vision. The system is designed to be more intuitive and responsive to voice commands. Hey Yui. Yui, the in-car personal assistant, will accept voice commands from any of the vehicle's 5 occupants. A glowing blue ball on the dash responds to Hey Yui, shining brighter and pulsing as it accepts directions, does a little thinking, and then performs the task at hand, such as turning on the air conditioning. A blue strip lights up in the rear seat center console if the commands come from the second row. The concept uses sustainable materials including recycled plastic from pop bottles and has plant-based ultrasuede seats and door panels. The window controls are embedded into the door material. While a concept, this BZ could be put on a production platform, we are told. New Beyond Zero badging for electrified Toyotas. The concept has Toyota's new Beyond Zero badging, which debuts on 2023 Toyota Prius family and denotes all electrified vehicles going forward to show the automaker's commitment to a zero-emissions future. It consists of a blue circle logo with HEV, for hybrid electric vehicle, BEV, battery electric, FCEF, fuel cell electric, and in many countries FEV, plug-in hybrid electric, but in the US it will say Prime. Toyota's only battery electric vehicle, the BZ4X compact SUV, will adopt the new badging for the next model year. The BZ concept was shown at an event on the eve of the 2022 Los Angeles Auto Show. Toyota also showed the next generation of its most well-known hybrid family with the 2023 Toyota Prius and the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrid.